Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about the Lotto odds, the odds of winning. I found a very good video that explains it and shows you the calculation straight up and how to figure out, what the odds are of winning by arranging one line. So I'll jump into playing the video for you. At some point, I'll pull out my calculator and do the stats based on the predictions that we have been giving yourselves over a few past days. So let's go for it now. I'll play the video.
In this video lesson, I'm going to talk about probability and lottery odds. Not long ago, I came across a newspaper article and it read, "The lottery is our best hope, say 3 in 10. That means that 30% of people think the lottery is their best hope. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to calculate the odds of winning the lottery using two different methods. The first method is using combinations, or combination theory, I guess, of the equations. And don't be frightened away by all the numbers and the equations. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. And the second method, I'm going to use probability theory, which is the classic way. So, and again, don't freak out. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Depending on the lottery, there's a different number of balls that they choose. And in this example, I'm going to use 49 different balls. And I will pick 6 different numbers. There are a lot of different combinations picking 6 numbers at random from 49 different balls. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to count up or figure out how many different combinations. So that's the first thing, how many different combinations. And we know that the numbers we picked initially, that's just one combination. So if we know we have one combination out of how many total possible combinations, these represent one combination, and the order of the numbers do not make a difference. I'm going to calculate how many different combinations. So the first thing I know is n is equal to 49. That's the total number of balls. And small case n, or green n, is equal to 6. That's how many I'm going to pick at one time. Number of balls picked. So this is my standard equation. I'm going to just plug and chug. So I take 49 factorial divided by 6, the green 6, factorial. And then I take 49, again, 49 minus, let me squeeze through there, 49 minus 6. Close the parentheses and a factorial sign. And this simplifies to
Cool.
49
Um, cool. I'm going to stop it there, only because our total number for Lotto is 59. So we're going to do the calculations ourselves now just to get the figures here so you get a picture of what we do when we do the predictions for you. So I'll pull up a calculator now. As you can see on my screen, this is my calculator. You can do the same yourself if in doubt. So straight away, I pull up the scientific calculator because that's what I need to calculate it with. So Lotto numbers to pick from, the total numbers to pick from is 59. So we go for 59 permutation. Just looking at this number scares the hell out of me, but that's fine. So this is what we will pick from. And then if you were to divide, as per the video on the left, divide by, put a bracket because you've got a bunch of things to do before you do the actual division. Straight away we're meant to pick 6 out of the 59, so we put 6 permutation, and then because you've got another calculation to do in between, put a bracket and go for 59, which is our general number in Lotto, the numbers you have to pick from 1 to 59, and then subtract the 6 that you're meant to pick out of the 59 in bracket, and then put the permutation symbol over it, and then now close off the bracket just to say, you're done, you're completed with whatever calculation going on there. And then if you hit the button enter, straight away you could see that we've got the same amount of probability here. So we've got 45,057,474. Now, bear this in mind. This is just the base if you're picking or playing Lucky Dip. This is your chances or odds of winning. So one combination you've got like 40, 45 million 45 million 57,473 more chances left for you to win. So I don't know how that works out, but that's the figures. But we try to keep our prediction to the minimum of 30 max. We don't get up to 30 half the time, but we keep it up to 30 or max 30. So if you were to do the permutation calculation or the combination calculation for 30, for you to pick 6 numbers out of 30 numbers, you'd see that this figure drops significantly. So if we were to do it, let's just go ahead and do it now. Best doing it. So 30 permutation, that still scares the hell out of me because it's quite a big number. And if you divide it by, straight away we're picking 6 numbers, but you need to put a bracket first to start with. So we're picking 6 numbers, permutation of 6, and then straight away we've got a calculation where we've got to subtract the 30 we predict, 6 from the 30 we predict, and then you close this off and then put the permutation there and then close this off, and straight away if you hit the equal sign, you see that this is the odds of winning with our prediction. I mean, compare this to 45,057,474. So if you were to pick a random number in our prediction, to basically what you're doing is you have a chances or the odds of winning, and basically it's not guaranteed, yes, but you've reduced the number by this amount on the screen. So the more the chances you've got, or the odds that are left for you to compete with is reduced drastically to 593,774, when compared to picking one there and being left with 47,057,473. So at this point, what I would do is I will end this video and I will drop the link to this calculation here. I own no copyright of it. I just found it and I thought it's something nice to look at basically and see what goes on and understand what chances you stand winning the lottery. So thank you. Please play safely and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.